Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to upload your very first post and manage tags and categories in WordPress. Whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher, this tutorial is for you. So, let's get started. If you're new to this channel, be sure to watch the previous video in this playlist. You can find the link in the video description. First, log in to your WordPress dashboard. This is your main control panel for managing your site. Once you're logged in, look at the left-hand sidebar. Here, you'll see a menu with various options. To create a new post, hover over Posts and click Add New. This will take you to the post editor where you can start creating your content. Begin by entering a title for your post. Next, let's add the content. You can type directly into the editor or paste text from another source. Now that we've got our content, let's look at how to add tags and categories. Categories help organize your posts into broader topics. To add a category, click on Add New Category. Enter the name of your category and click Add New Category. You can also create subcategories by selecting a parent category. Tags, on the other hand, are more specific keywords related to your post. They help with searchability and can link related posts together. To add tags, enter them in the Tags box and separate them with commas. Once you've added your categories and tags, it's time to publish your post. But before we do that, let's take a quick look at some additional options. Scroll down to Discussion Settings. Focusing on discussion settings to manage comments and other interactions. Here, you can manage the discussion settings for your post, like whether to allow comments or trackbacks and pingbacks. Adjust these settings according to your preferences. Finally, if everything looks good, go ahead and click the Publish button. Post Publishing Confirmation Message. Congratulations! You've just published your first post on WordPress. And there it is. Your first blog post is now live. You can always come back to edit the post or update categories and tags as needed. Next, we are going to manage and organize main tag and category pages of your website. Categories help you group related posts together. To manage your categories, go to the Posts section in the left-hand menu and click on Categories. Here, you can see a list of your existing categories. To add a new category, fill in the name, slug, and description fields. Then, click the Add New Category button. You can also edit or delete existing categories by hovering over a category name and choosing the appropriate action. Tags are similar to categories, but are more specific. To manage your tags, go to Posts and then click on Tags. Adding a new tag is simple. Fill in the name, slug, and description fields, then click Add New Tag. Just like categories, you can edit or delete existing tags by hovering over the tag name and selecting the appropriate option. And that's it. You've learned how to manage tag and category pages in WordPress. Keeping your content organized not only helps your visitors find what they're looking for, but also improves your site's SEO. Remember, keeping your categories broad and your tags specific will help your visitors find exactly what they're looking for. Regularly update and refine these to ensure your site remains relevant and easy to navigate. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more WordPress tutorials and tips. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, drop a comment below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and keep creating amazing content with WordPress. See you in the next video.